What was new in June 2023? The initial stiffnesses Sj can now be shown for steel joints. First, the parameters for the stiffness analysis are set and the internal forces and moments for which you want to obtain the stiffnesses are determined. After the analysis, you can find the stiffness values in the result tables. An option known from RFEM 5 and RSTAB 8 for load wizards to apply area loads only to members has been included again. This is suitable, for example, for wind loads acting on structures without cladding. In this case, it is therefore not the entire area that is subjected to loads, but only the members with their cross-section widths. Another new feature for the load wizards is the display of load distribution areas. After activating the option in the navigator, the load distribution of the selected area load is displayed in color. For composite cross-sections, we created a way to take into account the slip of joints between the individual cross-section parts. Gamma factors for individual joints can be defined for all composite standard cross-sections from our library. These are then included in the calculation of the cross-section properties. Do you already use keyboard shortcuts in RFEM and RSTAB? New shortcuts for the default views have been added to the default settings. For example, P can be used to switch the perspective display on and off. You can use the X, Y, and Z keys to make the model face in the respective direction. Views in opposite directions are done by additionally holding down the Alt key. As always, all planned and implemented features are listed in the extranet.